Okay, so quickly I'll be showing you guys my organizer. This is my sewing organizer. I got it from Amazon, and if I remember the link, I'll put it in my description box. But this is what it looks like. It has 4 compartments. I love this organizer so much. It has 4 compartments, 1 2 3 4 and 5 compartments. So this is how you open it. There's a clip here at the bottom. You just open it like this, and then you raise this part up like this and like this. So it came with all of this thread. These are very high quality threads that it came with, and yeah, variety of colors: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 threads. Came with 18 of them. Okay, then aside this top compartment, it also has this compartment where this came from my industrial machine. I just put it here so I don't get to look for anything. Some of these accessories I put them myself. They originally did not come with this machine, so I put these items myself from my other machine. All right, so I just put this back in. Then there's another compartment for additional thread, colors of thread. This is additional 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 other colors of thread, like any color you can think of, literally any color, but they are much smaller than this one. They are smaller in size. I feel like they just put colors that are very unique and that are not common here. And then this is another part. This place does not have thread. It came with this scissors. I added this myself. Why do I have 2 of this? This is for me personally. I put that there myself, so I'll just click this. Then there's another compartment here for the smaller items like the needles, the pins. Okay, so you just open this up like this, and then it has this thing here and this assorted needles. Only God knows what these things are. Safety pins, no, not safety pin, office pin, safety pin, and then some buttons, some more pins, some more pins. Yeah, I just put them there. And then finally the last compartment. See, like this is way bigger. So this additional thread, I added them myself. I bought them myself and I added them here. This came with it. This one came with it, I think, for pins, right? And then there's a tape that came with it. This I added it myself. Actually, this was a gift somebody gave me, so it just fits in, and I added it there myself. I think I'll have to remove this, right? I don't know. Let's see how it goes. So that is all you see in my sewing organizer. I have other ones, but this is all you can see for now. And then I just cover this back, and then like this, and I'm good to go. This handle is very helpful, and you're good to go. Very sturdy, very organized. You don't get to look for anything. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.